Embrace the beauty of nature and let it guide you towards a deeper understanding of the world around you. Just as the blooms with vibrant colors and melodies, allow yourself to grow and flourish in harmony with the nature rhythms of life. Remember, like nature, you too have the strength and resilience to weather any storm and emerge stronger and more beautiful than before. Embrace patience, listen to the music of the earth, and let the spirit of nature inspire you to reach new heights. You are part of this magnificent world. Cherish it and let it guide you on your journey.